Coast, I'm Lisa Spalla. On National Fentanyl Prevention and Awareness Day, the podcast We're Out of Time with Richard Taite featured Greg Swan, the co-founder of Fentanyl Fathers, who was joined by Dr. Gary Ladson, who also is with the organization. They are both fathers who lost their sons to the deadly epidemic and are now on a mission to reach every school in the nation to help save lives. Just last week, Greg and Richard joined bereaved parents in New York City for a powerful moment in Times Square, standing beneath massive billboards of children lost to fentanyl, demanding action and awareness. Thank you both for being here.
Thanks for having us.
Can you guys take us back to that moment when you were down there?
It was fantastic being in New York with Richard and going to and honoring our kids. I was there particularly for Jack McCarthy, who's the 19-year-old son who passed away of one of our co-founders, Jamie McCarthy.
As someone that's been in the forefront of this fight for fentanyl, how was it for you?
Absolutely heartbreaking. Yeah, there's nothing good about losing a child. It's the most unnatural thing that you can possibly go through. And I was glad to be there and give comfort.
Richard, you've been in addiction recovery for decades. How does fentanyl change the conversation that's going on right now?
It's an opioid, just a synthetic opioid. But the difference is a grain of rice can kill you. Like literally that much can kill you. And even half that much can kill you if you're not a fentanyl user, you don't know how to use it, and you don't have the tolerance for it. These are the people who are dying. You're going to the rave, you're going to the party on the weekend, you're doing that, right? And these kids, straight A students on the weekend, just experimenting, given half a pill, and they're dropping dead. Okay? That's what's different this time. They're being poisoned.
Yep. 2 out of every 3 times.
As co-founder of Fentanyl Fathers and after losing your son, Drew, why do you believe it's the bereaved parents that are the perfect people to come into the schools and to talk about this?
Not enough people really go toward the bereaved parent because it's a train wreck of grief and it's easier to not deal with it. But the bereaved parent to the high schooler, one thing that high schoolers are great at, what they lack in maybe experience, is they are really good at recognizing authenticity. I have the advantage or privilege of talking to the president about it. That was the one message I wanted to give him, was the bereaved parents are the linchpin of delivering the message.
This fentanyl crisis, you have to deal with it in a holistic approach. It has to be treatment, it has to be awareness, it has to be prevention, it has to be through changes in the law, it has to do with the border. But the president's getting it right because he's checking stuff right off a list, okay? And that's why I call him the fentanyl president.
I just say to the bereaved parents, keep moving and get back in the game, kid. It's not over.
I want to acknowledge you, okay? It's heartbreaking that you're even on television right now. It is. You're a good man, and I am sorry for your loss. I'm very, very proud of you.
Means the world, Richard. Thank you. You're a great friend. Appreciate it.
Thank you both for sharing all that information. The podcast episode with Richard Taite, Greg Swan, and Dr. Gary Ladson takes a deeper look into the fentanyl crisis and what it's going to take to stop it. Their message: awareness saves lives. Thank you both for being here.